Artus! Artus! Can I see what you're doing? Where are you? Show me. Where are you? Artus! Artus, where are you? Huh? Where are you? What you doing? Huh? What did you do?
Eating cheese.
Where's your cheese? Where's your cheese bar? You wanna get a bit of cheese? Did you get a bit of it?
Yes.
Can I see? Can I see your bar? You didn't get because you thought mommy will get mad or get angry. You already ate it.
Ganyan na ako kapag.
Oh, where's your cheese? Did you eat it already? Open mouth. Can I see? There's no more cheese. Papakero ng cheese. Are you a rat?
No.
No.
Papakero ng cheese. How about Tito? Pumapak ba ng cheese si Tito?
No.
Just Artus?
Again.
Huh? Just Artus? What's that? What is
Cheese.
that? Kaya pala ginaya ka niya eh. Ikaw pala yung ginaya niya.
Ano kasi ako? Ang tawag doon?
That's for the pasta? Ikaw pala yung ginaya niya kaya pumapak siya ng cheese. So Artus get a bar of cheese. Because nainggit ka kay Tito. Are you a mouse, Artus?
No.
Huh?
No.
Why did you, get a raw cheese? Huh? But mommy wants a raw cheese also. Do you know that?
Get mommy a cheese.
Yes.
Get mommy a cheese now.
Yes.
Yes.
How did you get your own, Hello. Did you slice it a while ago? Kasi kumuha na siya. Oh my God! Kinat-ngat lang. Oh. Uy! Use a knife! Grabe. Uy, gawain ko din yan nung bata ako.
Cheese. Kumaba ba kayo cheese?
Diba? Ha?
Don't eat cheese.
No. Can I bite also? Uy!